Fillings in the mouth are a popular treatment for dental patients that they take to help restore their teeth following the damage or decay. Though fillings are intended to last long and durable, but it's important to maintain them in a proper manner in order to maintain their long-term durability as well as effectiveness. In this short video, we'll talk about how you can maintain your fillings for dental purposes to keep healthy oral health. 1. Regularly floss and brush. The most effective ways to maintain the dental fillings you have is to ensure excellent dental hygiene. That means brushing your teeth at least 2 times each day and flossing twice each per day. By flossing and brushing, you help eliminate plaque and the bacteria that may build up within your fillings, which can cause tooth decay and other dental problems. 2. Utilize a fluoride toothpaste. The mineral fluoride assists in strengthening the enamel of your teeth and reduce the risk of developing cavities. Utilizing a toothpaste with fluoride can assist in protecting your teeth and even the fillings you use against tooth decay. Find a toothpaste that has fluoride. Be sure to floss your teeth frequently. 3. Do not eat foods that are hard. Dental fillings are created to stand up to the normal forces that chewers encounter, but they could be damaged by hard food items or even objects. Do not chew on foods that are hard like hard candies, ice, and nuts to stop damage to your dental fillings. If you're prone of grinding your teeth or clenching them, take into consideration having a night guard on to shield your fillings when you are asleep. 4. Look out for indications of trouble. It is essential that you pay close attention to your dental fillings and keep an eye out for warning signs. If you are experiencing irritation, discomfort, or see any signs of change on your fillings, for example, cracks or chips, take care to visit your dentist as soon as you can. If you ignore these concerns, they could result in further damage or even more complications. 5. See your dentist regularly. Dental checkups every 6 months are vital in assessing the health of your fillings, as well as your overall health of your mouth. Dental professionals can assess the health of your fillings and clean your teeth, and take care of any problems or concerns that might arise. It is recommended that you see your dentist a minimum of twice each year for dental cleaning and examinations. So, taking the time to take care of your dental fillings are an essential element of maintaining good dental health. Through practicing proper oral hygiene habits, avoiding the consumption of hard food, looking for indications of problems, and visiting your dentist frequently will make sure that your fillings remain sturdy and reliable for many long time in the future. Be aware that preventive measures are crucial for taking care of your dental fillings as well as dental health generally. Therefore, make sure you ensure that your fillings are taken care of and maintain your smile and healthy.